Want to unlock the secret to consistently stunning brand visuals across all your Aisensy messaging and marketing? First, log into your Aisensy account. You'll typically find the login option on the Aisensy website. Just enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the settings section. This may also be labeled as account settings or something similar. Depending on your specific Aisensy interface version, look for an icon that resembles a gear or a settings cog. Within the settings menu, locate brand settings or a profile option. This is where you'll manage your brand's information within Aisensy. Now, on the brand settings page, you should see your brand image prominently displayed below or next to it. There will usually be a field containing the image URL. Select the entire URL within that field and copy it to your clipboard. This is the direct link to your brand image. You can now paste this URL into your messaging templates, marketing campaigns, or anywhere else you need to showcase your brand image within the Aisensy ecosystem. This ensures consistent brand representation and a professional appearance across all your customer communications. Now your brand will always shine.